Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2280, loosen the 4 captive screws on the sides of the base cover. Remove the 4 screws on the front and back of the base cover and pry the cover off the system. Find the battery cable and remove the piece of tape. Unplug the cable. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw securing it. Unlatch and lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive of 2280, place it back in the system. Relatch and install the screw to secure it. Reconnect the battery cable and reattach the tape to secure it. Place the base cover on the system and tighten the 8 screws to secure it. Please note, the system will only power on and exit service mode if the adapter is connected. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.